Yeah, what's good, play boys? I don't know if
You pussy, you know
oh
how
my
we
god.
you nigga.
I don't know if you guys can hear me. Is it focusing on me? Yeah, I think it's focusing pretty good. What's good, play boys? I just got off of work. It's now 7:41. I just got off of work and I feel like recording a video of me doing some pulls since I do have the intake installed. So hope you guys can hear me. I don't know if my car is like too loud, I don't know. But I am gonna drive with the windows down because it is hot in Florida. Just a little bit, all four, not too much. So yeah, I get it be on the road. See if you guys can hear the intake. Definitely. You guys definitely can hear the intake. I gotta be careful over here because there are cops like lurking places. So I'm gonna drop a little speed limit real quick. You feel me? And then when you get on the highway, I'm gonna let that be open. Let that be red. Let's see if I can get a little pull right here for you guys. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it. It's really short probably because I didn't really do that many pulls because there was a lot of cops out today. It feels like later at night I probably do more pulls, but 8 o'clock everybody's leaving work and stuff, so couldn't really do too much pulls. But yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see more type of stuff, if you guys want to see more stuff like this, please let me know, because I will do it. Yeah, that's it for this video. Your boy's out. Yeah.